Welcome back. Now, if you intend to ship physical products from your store, you're going to have shipping options. So what we're going to do is go inside of our shipping options. Now, Shopify assumes your address is going to be your shipping origin. If you need to change that shipping origin, you can do that from this area. You also have shipping zones, which will help your customer to determine the cost of their goods. You have domestic shipping zones. You can edit this here. And you can add in a price-based rate, or you can add in weight-based rates based on the shipping zone. You can also add in calculated rates based on your primary method of shipping. If you're shipping outside of the United States, you can determine that here in this area. You can then determine specific countries that you are and are not going to ship to by choosing from this menu. And once again, you can determine the shipping rate based on price, weight, or calculation. Once you've determined your shipping zones and your shipping origin, you can then click Save. Now once again, if you're not going to be doing physical products, then you will not have this section to worry about. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.